Good night, guys. It is currently 11:03 p.m. and we're here live. So welcome, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, we are live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I just want to welcome you guys to the channel. So let's get started, guys. We're going to dive in shortly, so just bear with me, guys. Going to wait for a couple more people to join in. Welcome, welcome. I do have a cold, so mind you, if I do have a little bit of coughing and stuff like that, I still managed to be here live with you guys, so just bear with me. So yeah, we'll do a quick overview and see kind of what the markets are offering right now. Do an overview. Bear with me here, guys. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. How are you guys doing? Let me know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Super excited to have you guys here. Join me. Another beautiful, beautiful Wednesday night. We're gonna be looking into USD-JPY pair soon. Here's some of We've got me, Khalifa FX. What's up, man? Hey, what's going on, man? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the live. Like I said, excuse my voice, guys. I'm got a cold, so. All right, we're gonna begin shortly, guys. So just bear with me here. All right. Got the tea here. All right, guys. So we're gonna begin the live stream. Welcome back, guys. Haven't seen you guys in a minute. Been a while, but super excited to have you guys back. Super excited to be back with you guys. Like I said, I got a cold, so threw me to bed. So let's begin, anyways, guys. So welcome back. We're gonna start here. Let's take a look at USD-JPY. We had a couple of our members request USD-JPY. We've been actually eyeing this pair for quite some time. Let's not waste more time, guys. Let's get started and see what these markets are planning on doing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Told you guys I'd be here, and here I am, guys. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm still feeling a little, you know, headache and sore throat and stuff like that. Nothing that's gonna kill you, but you know what I mean. I did promise you guys I would be here, so here I am. Plus, I'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow at 7 a.m. But I wanted to kind of go over couple of the pairs that we've been eyeing anyways. So let's take a look at USDJPY, guys. So we've got this higher, we're on the higher time frame right now. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now for USDJPY. And kind of what I can see actually, we know that we retested this high yet once again. So we've got resistance, 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 and resistance once more. However, we're not getting that pushback that we'd like. So something similar like price reacting like this. Do you see how price in the past pretty much melted right after it would come to these highs over here, melted, and then price came down here, up here, melted again, right? So we're not getting that sort of bearish sentiment. However, does that mean that price is not going to melt? Possibly. It just means that the excuse me, it just means that the excuse me, it means that the bulls are more in control right now, or they're trying to fight back. So there could be a possibility that we could actually break above this resistance area here and actually retest these highs. Once we see price kind of break above this resistance level, that invalidates short positions. I don't want to be looking for sells. I want to probably see what price is going to do once we come up to these highs once more here. So most likely if we get a break above this level of structure, we're going to see price come back up, retest these highs here. So this is a major level. If we fail to break these highs, then we'll see probably a push to the downside. However, most likely if we place push above here, that means that the overall sentiment is bullish. We also did have some sort of a fake out here, and price actually reacted at this level here. So price pushed back up almost instantaneously. So to me, on the higher time frame, the daily, see that we are trending to the upside for USDJPY. So overall bias for USDJPY is bullish. We can see that we have been trending to the upside. We were expecting potentially price to come down and retest these here, which it didn't. You see that price actually wicked over here on the daily. On the 4-hour, we saw a kind of some sort of a fake out price pushed back up right away. So as soon as we see a break above this level structure, these highs over here of this range area, I can definitely expect some nice buy setups for USDJPY. So that's kind of what I'm looking at long term for USDJPY. So we do have to be aware of that. We can't just be like, okay, price rejected this level of structure here, so now for sure it's going all the way down. No, we probably should be, trade with caution and kind of, if we get a strong rejection, we get like a bearish candle close on the 1-hour, excuse me, even on the 4-hour, then we can expect a retest of these lows here, and then potentially we'll finally get a full push to the upside. But right now we're still kind of in this range, so just keep an eye out on USDJPY. We'll see what ends up happening. That's my outlook though, guys. Let's go, let's go. Vantech, thoughts on GJ? Let's take a look at GJ, bro. Welcome, welcome, guys. We got a couple more people joining in, guys. Let's go, let's go. We don't stop, we don't stop. Take a look at GJ. Yeah, we were looking for sells, as you guys saw. That was kind of our overall bias. We did get this random wick fake out. I think it had to do something with some unexpected news for GJ. It didn't show up on the Forex Factory or anything like that, but I think there was some sort of news that did affect or make price do this. So unfortunately, it did wick us out there on that trade. However, price did end up going in our favor right afterwards. So, so right now we're it seems like we are holding this level of resistance here. Even if we go up on the daily, let's take a look at the daily. you know, we are kind of respecting this level of resistance. However, I would kind of just stay a little bit away of GJ until we kind of see what price ends up doing, because this wick candle to me is a strong indication that price tried to push down to the downside and it failed and it pushed back up. So it is rejecting this lower level area here. Aside from that, is kind of recovering a little bit after a push like this and then a wick rejection like that. If you look at the daily, daily candle, that looks like a bullish daily candle right here, and then we're getting like a bearish candle right now. 4 hour again. So right now we're just retesting this level of structure here. So if we get a rejection of this level of structure, and let's say we get the next 4 hour candle push below down here and it's bearish, or we get 3 bearish candles, like 4 hour candles down here, then we can expect a continuation and retest of these lows, and just overall bearish sentiment. So we need to see a rejection of this level of structure here. If we do not get a rejection of this level of structure, then we can start actually looking for potential buy setups. But we do need to see a strong momentum push above this level of structure. If we don't get a nice bullish candle like this blue one here, or this blue one like this over here above this level, then we are not looking for buys, guys. We need to see that strong momentum push above this level before we can look for buy setups. Same thing goes for sells. I'm not looking for positions. Even if we're at this high here, that's too risky because we can't do anything at any given time. Even if we narrow it down to like 30-minute, like there's nothing really, nothing here that we can base it off of. I mean, like you could probably say, like here is like some sort of a level of support, but even there, like look how it's just broken below it right now. Price has like no volume, nothing. Not really respecting structure as well too, because we can see that, you know, price kind of resistance here, could have formed some sort of a support, but it's not forming some sort of support here. Kind of broke below. Yeah, I kind of want to stay away from GJ for now. Now, like I said, once we get that strong push, then we can kind of see if the type of movement we want to see is like a strong push move like this, or you know, something like, you know, something like, for example, like this. Like we can, if we go back in history, you know, you see that strong momentum to the downside, right? Price came back here. Look at where this area is busy, right? There's movement here. This is where price actually stopped, right? There was a range, right? Price came down here, stopped. And what happened? Price retraced, pulled back, retested this level of structure. And if we look back here, let's say we highlight it here, we've got support, 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 now future resistance. And then bam, look, we could have got on a nice short position here. Set our stops above, right? 30 pips. And then we could have easily just targeted the first lows here, which would have been about 100 pips. Imagine that, just targeting the first lows down here, or targeting the lows over here on the left-hand side, which is over about 150 pips, right? This is the 15-minute time frame, by the way, so it's not even like me just like looking at the 1 hour or 4 hour, basing my analysis off this, right? So when we see structure this way, when we see the market in this form, then we're able to spot out trade opportunities very, very easily. So yeah. No, you guys with me? Let me know in the chat box. Leave a fire emoji. Let's go, let's go. Leave a fire emoji if you guys are getting that explanation. Leave me a nice fire emoji, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You guys understand that explanation on GJ? Let me know in the chat box below, guys. Smash that like button for me as well, guys. Let's go, let's go. I don't know if the internet's slow or choppy. I don't know what's going on. Are you guys here with me? Let me know, let me know. Oh, geez. Excuse me, guys. Ventec, hope you understood the explanation there, bro. Mia Khalifa XFX, welcome, welcome. Nicholas, hey, bro. Welcome, Nicholas. Go, let's go. Let's get those fire emojis. Let's go. Let's get the dabbing emoji in the chat box. Smash that like button if you guys are enjoying this explanation, these live streams, guys. Appreciate the love and support. I don't know why. Usually in the nighttime, it's when it kind of gets worse. So it's like that. All right, guys. So that's my explanation there. Kind of, you know, what we can expect or how we can view the markets. You saw how that opportunity there on the 15-minute time frame. How we were able to spot like a quick, nice, easy trade setup just from looking at the markets as is. But let's kind of move on here and see, like, for example, let's clear the charts here for a bit for GU, what we can expect for GU. Let's take a look at the daily. So it seems like we are respecting this level of support. Price is actually, excuse me, holding this level of support on the higher time frame. If you go to the weekly, we know that this was kind of a new low, essentially for the British pound pair versus the US dollar. So it seems like price is actually reacting at this level. So now that we know that, even on the daily, price is, you know, forming some sort of a support area, we can start looking for potential pullback. Pretty much where I want to kind of look at where price could start pulling back to would probably be the first area would be around this level here. So that's kind of where I'm expecting price to potentially come back up to. As of right now for GBP US, we are kind of stuck in this range. We can see that price currently ranging. Probably, if we narrow it down to the 30-minute, we could probably see price still come down to these lows over here. Clear the charts here for a bit. Probably see price come down to these lows here. Potentially, seems like price is not respecting this level of support anyways. So price could potentially come down a little bit further, see some sort of a pullback, and potentially a continuation to the bottom of this range. Yeah, that's kind of what we could see again. And same thing with GJ. That's what we could see for GJ as well, because it's a similar situation. But as of right now, guys, like, you know, price did react to this level of structure here. So these highs over here, price rejected. Just want to see price hold this level of support down here for GU and GJ. See price hold this level of support, and we could see a potential continuation to the upside, at least to this target level over here. But short term, kind of what it's looking like. We're just stuck in a range. Let's take a look at CAD-JPY. What's going on with CAD-JPY? So CAD-JPY, we are getting price actually pushed down in our favor as well. We were looking at a potential bearish flag, but it didn't end up going the way we wanted it to. However, price is actually potentially, so it seems like we're up about 25 pips, but this is now, I would delete this. This is kind of what I'm looking at. Price could be actually broke above, and now it's retesting this level of structure here, this level of support here. So we could look for a potential buy setups for CAD-JPY. Kind of what I'm looking at, guys, for CAD-JPY. Seems like price actually finally broke above and actually held it for a little bit. Price then pulled back. This is the 1 hour time frame, by the way. I want to see this 1 hour candle close above, and then we can start looking for potential buy setups here. We can narrow it down to the 30-minute, and we can start looking for potential buy setups. Target, like, our first TP1 could be above at that level high. Yeah, this is kind of what I'm looking at for JPY. Yeah. Just broke above this range, essentially. That's what it's done. It's 100 pips. Be a good potential buy setup, guys. At JPY. Hey, let's go, Nicholas. Let's go. We got that fire emoji. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys understand that explanation? Smash that like button for me if you understood that explanation on CAD JPY, guys. Okay. So let's take a look at OddCAD. Where are we at with OddCAD? We broke below, so we created some sort of a fake out. This to me was a fake out here. Price is now retesting this level structure yet again, but we're stuck in this range. So we're pretty much consolidating sideways right now. We're in a consolidating market. So we're looking for, we're at the low of this consolidation area. So we could expect a potential push to this mid-level of the range. This is the 4-hour time frame, by the way. So we'd be looking for, if price is able to hold this level of support on OddCAD, if price respects this level, we see rejection and we see price create some sort of a support within this area, we can expect a continuation to the upside. We may get some turbulence around here, this area here, before we push to these highs. That's kind of what I'm looking at for OddCAD, guys. We see short term, kind of what we can expect. See tomorrow. Let me know if you guys are understanding this. You can see that price actually here for Euro Odd also went in our favor. Obviously, I extended this a bit more, but you could see that we got in around here. Price came down, consolidated for a bit, and then it melted pretty much exactly to where we were expecting price to go. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that's that. But where are we right now? Take a look at the 4 hour. Oh yeah, so right now we are on Euro Odd. Kind of go out the daily here and see. Yeah, so we're still in this range. We're in the middle of this range. So now that we broke above, we held this level of support. It seems like price is failing to break below. So it seems like price wants to start pushing to the upside. We start looking for potential buy setups. However, I want to see buy setups above this level of structure here. At least I want to see buy setups above these highs over here before we start looking for potential buy setups. So I want to see price break above this level of structure for potential buy setups. And we can see something like nice impulsive push, pull back, and then a continuation to the upside. But we can look for Euro Odd, guys. Okay. This is the 4-hour time frame, so like I said, I need to see an impulsive push above these highs. Otherwise, we're just kind of ranging sideways. So we need to see that strong momentum push above these highs over here. You guys with me? You guys with me? Hey, Adam. Hey, bro. Welcome, Adam. Happy to have you, bro. Nicholas, good night, bro. Need to sleep. All right, bro. Have a good night. All right. Take care. Get some rest. You guys understanding that explanation there? You got for that was for CAD JPY, but we also went over Euro odd. Let me know in the chat box, guys, if you are understanding this explanation. If you are, smash that like button for me, guys. Those of you that are just joining in and you're wondering why I sound so sluggy, I think I have a cold or something. No fever or anything like that, but it's just been like runny nose, cough, like just congestion and stuff like that. So, but I did promise you guys I would come live, so here I am, guys. So excuse me if I'm coughing and everything, but if you guys are new, guys, welcome to the family. I don't usually sound like this, so. Anyways, we are here to learn and we are here to kill these markets, which we always do anyways, so welcome. All right, so let's continue on. Actually, let's take a look, just for the hell of it, let's take a look here at SHIB. Oh, look, funny enough, we saw price kind of break below, then we were expecting it to go up. It did that, but it didn't go all the way down. So the price did push down, but it's retesting. Seems like price is kind of holding this level of resistance here. This high here, this seems like a fake out here. That just seems like a fake out. I actually expect price potentially to come back down. Test these. Yeah, what we're looking at there for SHIB. Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at the daily for Euro New Zealand, guys. Euro New Zealand. We are trending sideways, guys. This is a ranging market on the daily. We've come to these highs for Euro New Zealand, so this is a level of structure here. This again is just a fake out, but we are retesting this level of structure right now. We can expect a potential continuation to the downside. If we are able to hold this level of resistance, if price is able to respect this trend line, this resistance area, then we could expect a continuation to the downside and a reaction where price may fall back down. It looks like a crappy head and shoulder pattern formation. Really crappy. Neckline's really sideways, whatever, but kind of seems like price tried to break above this level structure, failed, tried once more, failed, and it's trying once more. You see price probably come back down. If we see a break of this level of structure here, like this lower level here, and we can start looking for sell setups for Euro New Zealand, guys. That's kind of what I'm expecting here. Anything below this level of structure here, we're looking for sell setups. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. If you guys are understanding that, let me know in the chat box if you guys are here with me. I know you guys are a little quiet tonight, so let me know in the chat box if you guys are understanding this explanation. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna continue on. All right, let's take a look at oil. Look at oil, guys. This is like super predictable at this point. Like, so we saw oil break below. We saw oil come to this level of structure, and look at how price literally went exactly as predicted. So I was predicting. I created this level structure here. You can see that I put my arrow here. Look at my arrows for price for oil to go up. And if you look at my previous live stream, I mentioned oil was going to push to the upside and retest these highs. We saw prices retesting these highs right now. See some sort of a rejection of this level of structure. Expect a pull back down to these levels. That's kind of what I'm expecting for oil right now, guys. We'll see what ends up happening though. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Where are you at? All right. Guys, let me know any pairs you guys are looking at. I can take a look at that for you as well. Now that you have me here live, let me know in the chat box, guys. All right, so that's what we're looking at for oil. DCHF. Here. I think it's really struggling to break below further. So it seems like it is actually trying to hold this level of support. Weekly, monthly bias was continuing because it looks really, really bearish here. We need to see what's going on. Seems like it's struggling to push down further. However, I don't really see a lot of bullishness. All these candles look super weak. I see super bearish candles here, so it's not even like trying to hold it. Like I don't even see the bulls coming in and trying to push price up as much. So we could actually surprisingly, even if price kind of holds and stalls for a little bit, probably see we could potentially see a break below. Yeah, because that could be a possibility, guys. CHF. We'll keep an eye out on this pair. But right now there's just like trades anyways. Just ranging. Hour, 3 minute. Price is just moving sideways. That's why it's important, guys, to identify what is the market doing currently. You know what I mean? What is the market doing? You know what I mean? And then that's how we're able to, um, you know, take our positions and such like that. So, Adam, nice. Can I see gold picture? Yeah, absolutely, bro. We'll take a look at gold and bless you, bro. You really need a rest. Yeah, I do. I do need to get some rest, guys. But I wanted to come on here for you guys. And you guys uh try to provide as much value as possible. Support you guys, be here for you guys. Yeah, I wasn't joking. I was actually sick. I am actually sick. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look at gold, Adam, and then we'll go from there, bro. Happy to have you here. Okay, so we were expecting gold anyways sometime earlier this week. We were expecting gold to come back up to these highs, which it didn't. However, we did get on some nice gold sell opportunities down here. Did expect gold to push down below. We got that push to the upside. Let's go to the higher time frames and see what's going on with gold. Actually, let's clear the charts. Let's start fresh. Excuse me. Okay, so up to the weekly here. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm expecting for gold. Let me mark my levels here. Most important current price action. This is a level structure I'm looking at. Seems like price is actually potentially holding this level support here. And then obviously, I mean, we can poke, like, these are highs that we can target later on, but not right now. Not of importance right now at all. It's super irrelevant, but I'll just mark it off. Daily. It seems like price is holding this level of support. So we can see that it is a significant level of support. Price is finally reacting to this level. We are getting price for gold respecting this level of support here. Okay. We got a kind of like some sort of a potential like slight fake out. Price almost instantly pushed back up. That's good. That's what we want to see for gold. The daily time frame, by the way. So each candle represents a daily daily movement for those of you that are just new joining in. So we got an instant break above. We need to see gold break above this level of structure before we start looking for even more buys. We got the strong momentum push, which is good. We got the reaction. We got gold pushing back up. That's good. But I need to see gold actually break above this level of structure before I start even considering buy. Okay. Anything above this level of structure, we can look for buy setups. So we're looking for buy setups above this level of structure here. I'm expecting gold probably to pull back down to at least this level down here. Probably could react around here, to be honest, but maybe gold might come down here. I'd say probably around here is where I'm going to see gold come back down. I see gold potentially pulling back down here to this level. The 4-hour time frame, by the way. If we narrow it down to the 1 hour, yeah. So I could see gold. Damn, my phone's freaking me out, man. I already unplugged my clock because that thing was too scary, man. That Amazon Alexa clock. That thing, man, just talked on its own. It scared the crap out of me, man. Anyways, I'm expecting gold to do one of the other. So gold could actually come back up and create some sort of a double top formation. If we see that, we're looking for sells. Gold. Short term, by the way, short term sells. If gold continues to break, so right now it's holding some sort of support level around where it currently is right now. If gold breaks below this level of support, then we're looking for a straight push to this downside, and I'm going to target this level here, where gold could potentially come down to this key level here, which I have marked off. We can see gold pull back to this level potentially before we can come back up and retest this level structure once more. But again, like I said, however, price could come back up. After a strong push like this, I could see price kind of range a little bit before on these highs over here, before it actually pulls all the way back, right? So price could retest these highs once more. That could happen on London session. London session could be pushed back up, get one more wick, slight wick above a little bit, and then it could come back down, right? So I will let you guys know tomorrow morning when we wake up. We'll look at the market, see what the market's offering currently. we'll kind of go from there and see what ends up happening for gold. But that's kind of my outlook right now on gold, guys. I know it's not too much going on, but there's not much volume anyways. So you guys know, we're all about quality trades, not quantity, guys. We want to focus on quality trades. We want to manage our risk. We're not here to gamble. We're here to kill these markets. We're here to kill these profits. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Smash that like button if you understood that explanation on gold, guys. Let me know in the chat box below. Also, guys, make sure you guys follow me on all my socials, PedroFX Official on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Also, join our free Telegram group, guys. You can join by clicking the link in the video description below. You can join our free Telegram Blessed Traders Academy. You can join for free. Yeah, we've got a nice community of like-minded traders that are looking to just get ahead in their trading. So let's get it. All right, Adam. All right, thank you, Pedro. Hey, no worries, bro. Have a good night. I'm gonna leave you guys because I have to wake up tomorrow anyways, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. Hopefully, I'll feel a little bit better after this cold. So, hopefully tomorrow morning I'll feel a little bit more better. We'll see, guys. That's kind of where we're at right now. I will keep you guys in the loop in the meantime. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. We'll keep an eye out on gold. Currently, short term, I'm looking for buys on gold. Like, potentially, like I said, a pullback could be some sort of a double top coming. So we can expect some sort of a hold of this level. If we see price hold this level of support, we can look at price retesting these highs once more before it pushes back. Okay, so I'll keep you guys in the loop. Have a good night, guys, wherever you guys are, or good morning. Thank you for joining in, guys. I will see you tomorrow at 7 a.m.